to my channel. How are you doing today? We have an occasion to celebrate today, and the occasion is it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all dad who work hard at being dad. Thank you so much for letting us up, for your big heart, for teaching us, for guiding us, for loving us, and for protecting us. So, do you have plans to surprise your dad on this wonderful occasion? If you have plans, the quickest way to a man's heart is through his stomach, they say. This Father's Day, treat your dad with this amazing dish, which is no bake strawberry cheesecake in a bowl that will quickly become a family favorite. So, shall we check out for the Father's Day special recipe now?
The ingredients used for no-bake strawberry cheesecake are: first, for the strawberry topping, strawberry chopped half cup and sugar 2 tablespoons. And for the cream cheese filling, cream cheese half cup, sugar quarter cup and vanilla essence half teaspoon. To make the base for no-bake strawberry cheesecake, I had taken digestive biscuits 3/4 cup, and also I am going to use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So you can use either the whipping cream or whipped cream. If you are using the whipping cream, take half cup of whipping cream and beat it with the beater till the stiff peak arises. But today I am going to use the whipped cream, which is already thick and creamy in texture. Now for the strawberry topping, I am going to add half cup of chopped strawberries, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and I am gonna mix this well and keep it aside. For making the base of the cake, I am going to add 3/4 cup of digestive biscuits into a blender and grind them coarsely to make crumbs. So as you see, biscuit crumbs are ready now. Now I am going to add 3/4 cups of biscuit crumbs into a bowl. And now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter to it, and I am going to mix it well until crumbs are moistened. Now I am going to add first layer of moistened breadcrumbs into the bowl. Divide evenly between individual serving bowls. Press to form a crust layer. So next, for the cream cheese filling, I am going to add half cup of cream cheese into a bowl. Then I am going to add quarter cup of sugar. Then I am going to add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now I am going to beat all these together until it is well combined and smooth. So as you see, the mixture had become smooth. So now I am going to add the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. So I am going to mix the whipped cream and cream cheese together. So second layer of the bowl will be cream cheese filling, and the third layer will be the chopped strawberries, which I had already mixed with sugar and kept aside. Now I am going to add some more crumbs. So now our no-bake strawberry cheesecake in a bowl is ready.
So, I'm going to taste my no-bake strawberry cheesecake now. Wow, it looks drooling. so delectable. Nothing says love more than homemade. So if you have any plan for your Father's Day, do try this homemade, simple and easy, no bake, strawberry cheesecake to express your love towards your dad. And also don't forget that pinky promise if you wish for something. Our second recipe is going to be a weekend special. Cheers to the freaking weekend. Slow down, take it easy, and enjoy a max tasty meal with your family or friends. So today I'm gonna prepare a restaurant standard dish which is very simple to make but worthy of any dinner party or weekend dinner with family. And the restaurant standard dish is pan-seared lemon butter salmon. This pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce is fried until crispy on the outside and tender and flaky on the inside. It just takes 2 minutes to prepare and 10 minutes to cook with just only 5 ingredients. And the lemon butter and garlic adds a wonderful complement to salmon. It goes so well. Salmon has a rich content of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. So this salmon makes the perfect meal, easy to prepare and healthy. So shall we dive into the weekend recipe now?
The ingredients used for this pan-seared lemon butter salmon are 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 teaspoons of lemon juice, oregano, 1 garlic clove chopped, and salt and pepper to taste. And the main ingredient is 2 salmon fish fillets which weighs approximately around 500 grams. So I am going to season the salmon fish fillets with some salt, then with some pepper, then with some oregano, now I am going to coat this evenly around a single side of the fish. Flip the fish fillet to the next side and repeat the same process. Now we can start cooking the salmon in a hot skillet. So I am adding olive oil to the skillet. So I am going to place the salmon fish fillets in the skillet now. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. While the salmon cooks, I am going to melt some butter in a small pan. Now I am going to add chopped garlic. I am going to add the lemon juice. I am going to stir in the fresh garlic and lemon juice. I am going to season the lemon butter sauce with some salt since I had used unsalted butter. Just stir in well again with the salt. So as you see, the salmon fish is completely cooked on both the sides now. So I am going to pour the lemon butter sauce all over the salmon and cook for an additional minute. So I am done with the cooking now since I could feel salmon firm to touch. So the weekend special pan-seared lemon butter salmon is ready.
So I'm going to taste my pan-seared lemon butter salmon now. Wow, it's really ultimate. I could feel that lemon, butter, and garlic in this bite. So, I would highly recommend this recipe for some 4 reasons. The first one is it takes minutes to prepare and cook and calls for just a handful of ingredients. And the second one is it is low carb and keto friendly and a super light and a healthy weeknight meal. It is an elegant dish that will satisfy your guest and also looks beautiful on a plate with some roasted veggies and a glass of wine. The flavors just work so well together, you just can't go wrong with lemon, butter, garlic, and salmon. So, do try this easy peasy pan seared salmon with lemon and butter and just share your experience. If you had enjoyed watching these 2 recipes, please do subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care, have a great day, and have a great weekend.